What's up YouTube, Max Like Strings here, and today I have a video telling you guys about my experience at Fairfax Fall Brawl this year. I was able to set up a booth there this year, which is really cool, and I got to play both days for the guys for varsity and JV, which is a lot of fun. So on Saturday we got there probably about 6 o'clock in the morning. My first game started at 8, but we had to get there early to set up the booth and everything. So my varsity team actually did very well in the varsity division, not the varsity elite division, which is for the bigger schools. My school is not that big. We got 3rd place out of 40 varsity teams, which is really good. We lost to Bishop O'Connell in the semifinals, but they're a private school and they get to practice whenever they want. They don't have any limitations like public schools do. But I was very impressed with our team. It was a lot of fun playing on varsity. Last year I played on JV, so it was really cool playing up with the big guys. And I thought I handled myself pretty well too. Our final record was 5-1, I think. If you guys don't know, this Fall Brawl, it's half field, so and the games are only 30 minutes, so that's why we have so many games. You have 4 games, and then you have 2 playoff games, and then you have a 3rd one if you make the championship. But unfortunately we didn't, but we did really well, and it was a lot of fun, and I sold a lot of mesh too. Over both days, I think I sold about 55 or 60 pieces of mesh, did about 10 string jobs, 2 goalie string jobs, sold a lot of goalie mesh as well. So right now I'm just trying to stock up for the Black Friday Christmas sales, and then hopefully get ready for the spring. On Sunday I played JV. Our team didn't do as well. We were like 3-3, but it was still a lot of fun hanging out with my friends and selling a lot of mesh too. I probably sold about 20 or 30 pieces on that day as well, and I had a ton of string jobs that day. On Saturday I maybe had like 3 string jobs, but on Sunday I had like 6 or 7, which was crazy. So I had a kid on my team who knew how to string, and he helped me out with that. So that was pretty helpful, and yeah, it was a really successful weekend, and looking forward to everything that's coming up, and I just wanted to tell you guys about that. I'll be trying to get some more videos out soon. I'm trying to crank them out so I can release them as we go along. But yeah, that's about it guys, so thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.